Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. Previously I brought you guys the unboxings of the latest iPhones, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 as well. So we have the iPhone in pink color over here that I got for my wife. So today what we're going to do is we're actually going to be unboxing the latest Apple Watch Series 9 45mm in pink color. So this is the latest color in the Apple Watch lineup, and the Series 9 is the latest Apple Watch that you can pick up, and I think this will be a great addition to my wife's routine. So I have a seal box right over here, so let's go ahead and unbox this and check it out and see how well it matches the pink iPhone as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. The Apple Watch unboxing is always something nice, so let's get started with today's video. By the way, I'm also planning to pick up the new Apple Watch Ultra 2, so definitely subscribe right now in case you want to check that out in future as well. Alright, so this is the box of the Apple Watch Series 9. So at the front it says Apple Watch, and at the back we have all the details of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. And just like that, whoa, this is the pink Series 9 Apple Watch, and we have the strap here as well. So what I'm gonna do is first go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch. As you can see, it's a seal box. The seal has not been broken yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for the very first time right now. In the box it says Series 9 pink aluminum case 45mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear off the seal right now. And we have another pull tab over here on this side as well. I'm going to go ahead and break that open as well, and just going to go ahead and open it up like this. So here we have the Apple Watch on the side, nicely tucked into this little protective case. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Looks nice. So I'm going to just put it back into this for now and move on with the rest of the stuff. So we have the leaflets over here. Actually it says designed by Apple in California. Actually this is not the leaflet, this is actually the charger. So we have the Apple Watch charger with a braided cable this time around. So even with the AirPods that I showed you guys and the iPhones as well, we get this new braided cable that is Type-C, and we have the good old charging puck that we have for the Apple Watch. It says designed by Apple in California, so I'm going to keep it over here. And then we have the actually one single sort of getting started guide that we have over here, and that's about it for this box. And if I just leave it to the side, this is the strap that we have over here. So again it says Apple Watch sports band. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So we have the pull tab over here on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and break it open, and just like this I'm going to open it up, and here we have the nice pink Apple Watch band along with the user manual. So I'm going to just leave it there. Just have a look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out like this, and that's about it for this. And yeah, it's a subtle pink. Actually looks pretty nice in the hand. So this is what it looks like, and this is actually the medium and large strap that we have over here. So you can pick up other straps if you want. In the box it says this, so I'm just going to go ahead and move it away to the side, grab the charger, and just like this you can pull it out, and put it back. So we have the charger and we have the Apple Watch itself. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and set up these straps. So this is what the watch looks like from the front. We have the digital crown and the side button over here, and at the back it is series 9 45mm. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top strap and then go ahead and put it in like that. And at the same time I've also pressed the power button, so it's now turning on as well as we are setting up the straps. So I can go ahead and add both straps. Looks pretty nice with the straps on. So it's turning on right now. So now it's up to the setup process. So I'm going to go ahead and actually grab my wife's pink iPhone over here. It actually complements the pink iPhone quite well, the new pink Apple Watch. So it says the battery is low to continue, so I need to go ahead and charge this up actually to go ahead and do the setup. So I'm going to go ahead and place it here on the charging puck, and then I can actually plug it over here to my Mac, and just like that it is now charging. So now we can go into pairing mode. So here I have the iPhone back again. So all you have to do is just grab your iPhone and you should see this pairing screen. So you can just go ahead and press continue, and it says set up Apple Watch. So you can say set up for myself, and then go ahead and scan this like this. So just like that, now it says your watch is being paired. So you got to give it a sec to finish the pairing process. So it says 45mm aluminum case here on the Apple Watch, and on the app it says Apple Watch is paired. So it asks for the wrist preference, so I'm going to go with left, and we can continue with the setup of the Apple Watch right here on the iPhone as well. Now it's going to actually take a couple of minutes to connect to the watch, and then it will probably get activated. So we can continue with this process just like that. So now we have to set up the passcode. So I've quickly done that. Now we have the text preferences. So I'm going to just continue. Shared settings. I can set up the details for fitness. I'm just going to go ahead and just continue with the basics. Workout routine tracking. I'm going to enable that. Get the notifications, and I can continue with the safety now. I'm going to continue with all these steps. And yeah, so basically the new Apple Watch even has fall detection and all of that. So that's pretty nice. So it asked me to set up Apple Pay because it's not really supported in Sri Lanka. I'm going to skip that. And now it says welcome to Apple Watch. Now all I have to do is just press OK. And just like that, now it has connected to the iPhone. So I can go into settings and about and show you guys that this indeed is the Series 9 Apple Watch. So from the app there are a lot of things you can do. So I'll bring a separate video for that if you guys are interested. So this is already running the latest watchOS 10. So because of that, you don't have to worry too much. Here on the watch it says get started and hello, so I can just go ahead. Already there's a software update available for the watch, so I'm going to go ahead and put that. Just like that, I've set up the new update to get installed to the watch. We can press get started on the watch, and that's about it. So this is the Apple Watch Series 9. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you're planning to pick up one of the new Apple Watches, especially as a gift to your lady, then this is a perfect one, because if they have the latest pink iPhone, the new Apple Watch really complements that. So just have a look at this, and I'll have some B-roll playing right now with the Apple Watch so that you can get an idea about the color. If you have someone that you know who would love an Apple Watch Series 9, definitely share this video with them. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos just like this. Like I said, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 video is coming up next, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that as well. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu, signing out.